Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into an essential tool for all aquarium enthusiasts, the Aquarium Cleaning Tools Kit, a 5-in-1 deep tank cleaner. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is. The Aquarium Cleaning Tools Kit is a comprehensive solution designed to make maintaining your fish tank easier and more efficient. It consists of 5 essential tools that cater to various cleaning needs: an algae scraper, a cleaning sponge, a small fishnet, a gravel rake, and a plant fork. All of these tools come with a durable 19-inch rod and comfortable handle, extending the total length to 21 inches when fully assembled. One of the standout features of this kit is its versatility. The algae scraper is made from high-quality 430 stainless steel, which provides a good level of rust resistance, although it's important to clean it after every use to maintain its effectiveness. The rest of the tools are crafted from durable ABS plastic, ensuring they can withstand the rigors of regular cleaning without breaking down. This cleaning kit is suitable for both saltwater and freshwater tanks, making it a great option for a variety of fish keepers. Whether you have a small aquarium or a larger deep tank, this kit has you covered. It's perfect for hobbyists who are just starting out as well as experienced aquarists who want to keep their tanks in pristine condition. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. If you've ever struggled with stubborn algae buildup, the algae scraper is a game changer. It easily removes algae from the tank walls, keeping your aquarium looking crystal clear. The cleaning sponge is perfect for those hard-to-reach areas, ensuring you can thoroughly clean without getting your hands wet. The 3.9-inch small fishnet is ideal for catching small fish or debris, while the gravel rake helps you maintain a clean substrate, removing waste and uneaten food. Lastly, the plant fork allows you to reposition or plant aquatic plants without uprooting them. Overall, the Aquarium Cleaning Tools Kit is a must-have for anyone serious about maintaining a healthy and visually appealing aquarium. Its multifunctional design keeps your hands dry and clean while providing all the essential tools needed for effective tank maintenance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.